Hello everyone, welcome to Technosavvys. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used for scripting, automation, web development, scientific computing, and data analysis. Python is known for its clear and simple syntax which make it easy to learn and use. Python scripting is a way of automating tasks that can be done using Python code. With Python scripting, you can write small programs or script that can automate tasks such as file manipulation, data processing, system administration, and web scripting. Python provides a number of features that make it an ideal language for scripting, including easy to learn, cross-platform support, large standard library, third-party libraries, interpreted language. Python is a versatile and powerful language that is well suited for scripting tasks. With its clear and simple syntax, large standard library, and active community, Python is a great choice for automating tasks and simplifying workflows. So what are you waiting for? Join Technosavvys and enroll now. Thank you.